Welcome to the PowerScore benchmarking tutorial, brought to you by Resource Innovation Institute and the New York State Office of Cannabis Management. This video will provide a general overview of the PowerScore platform, including details on creating your account, logging in, and the relevant data you will need to bring to complete the benchmarking survey. PowerScore is a powerful tool designed to help farmers track and improve their resource use. It's an energy, waste, and water reporting platform that lets you benchmark your facility's performance against similar growers. You can even monitor your progress year over year to see how your operation is improving. This tutorial will give you a high-level overview of the tool and guide you through the key assets you'll need to gather to complete your reporting successfully. And please note, all of the information submitted in the PowerScore platform is completely confidential. Let's get started. You can access the PowerScore platform by navigating to the Office of Cannabis Management's Energy and Environmental Sustainability page at cannabis.ny.gov/sustainability. From here, click the Access PowerScore button to be taken to the New York State PowerScore landing page hosted on RII's website. Here, you may review helpful guides and checklists, begin your PowerScore survey, read more about the cannabis regulations and collected data, and find additional cannabis production efficiency resources. Generally, you can follow these 4 steps to successfully complete your survey. We will walk you through how to set up your account and ways to navigate the platform in these tutorials. To start, here is the high-level overview of the steps. Step 1. First, read through the resources provided on the Resource Innovation Institute New York State PowerScore webpage. This includes the New York State fact sheet, data checklist, and sample questions. Step 2. Reference the PowerScore data checklist to understand the information you will need to gather in order to complete the survey. Next, gather your data. Completing your entry in PowerScore Connect can be streamlined by collecting relevant data prior to starting your survey. No worries though if you forget some of your data. Once you begin your survey, you will be able to save the entry and come back when you have all of your information. Step 3. The third step is to enter your data into the PowerScore Connect survey, which will be detailed in video 2. Step 4. Submit your completed survey and review your PowerScore report. You can see how your facility performs against other cannabis cultivation facilities similar to yours. We will review how to interpret your report in video 3. If you already have an account, simply click the green login button and enter your email and password. If it's your first time logging in, click the Set Password for First Login button to set up your account. You'll be redirected to a separate page to complete the setup. If you haven't received an email from Resource Innovation Institute with account setup instructions, please fill out the contact form on our website to reach our team. When setting up your account, be sure to use the email address associated with your license. Only the primary email address linked to your license can create the account. Enter your email and click Send Password Reset link. You'll receive an email with further instructions to set up your account. If you run into issues using your primary license email, complete the contact form on the website and we'll respond within 2 business days. Once logged in, you can add additional email addresses to your license to allow others, such as business partners or operations staff, to access and submit PowerScore records on behalf of your facility. On the login page, you'll also find the option to download a PDF of all the survey questions. This can help you prepare your data in advance and streamline the reporting process. Now let's take a look at the type of data you will need to collect in order to complete your survey. As a reminder, you can also reference the PowerScore data checklist for further details. On this survey, you will see questions that are specific to your facility's size, the lighting and HVAC system details, your annual resource use for water consumption, energy consumption, and on-site energy production where applicable. There will be questions related to your annual production of plant material and the type of waste disposal you leverage at your facility. You will have the ability to specify the units, and there are also fields to add a description for additional context. Now, let's take a look at some of the questions in each of the survey sections. We will call out the areas that require some more time and attention when collecting this information. Remember, at any point, you can begin your survey by selecting Begin PowerScore Survey. To set your survey up for success, you'll need to gather key data about your facility. Let's walk through what you'll need step by step. First, take a look at the way in which you'll leverage the space in your facility. It will be important to gather the size of your production space or spaces. Next, you'll need some information about your license, including your license number and facility address. And remember, all the information provided in this survey is kept strictly confidential. Please be prepared to answer questions associated with your energy provider and your classification tier. For operations with greenhouse and indoor spaces, the two topics that drive most of the energy consumption in your facility are your lighting and your HVAC equipment. Let's get started with lighting. For your lighting of choice, you will need to gather technical specifications regarding the performance of your lighting fixtures. If you are unsure of the performance specs, it may be helpful to visit the manufacturer's website and locate their product specification sheets. Here are some of the details you will need to bring to the survey. Your lighting fixture's wattage. This should be listed on the specification sheet if you do not have the current measurements. Now let's talk HVAC. For your HVAC system, you will be asked to identify the type of system you're using. The survey provides a checklist with definitions for each system type. For greenhouses, you'll see one option, System G. For indoor spaces, there are several options specific to your equipment. Each type is explained in detail in the survey. If your system has unique features, you can add those details at the end of this section. Once you are able to gather the details associated with your equipment, the survey will ask you to focus on the energy and water resources that your facility consumes. In this section, it would be helpful to access your utility bills or your building automation system report to gather accurate data. Your utility bill will have information about your energy use. Please include the use of all energy sources, including electricity, natural gas, and any delivered fuels. If your facility leverages any type of on-site renewable energy generation, please provide those details as well. You have now reached the final stage of the survey where you will report on the production and waste produced in your cultivation facility. Here, you may want to consult your cultivation manager to ensure your production and waste data are accurate. There will be a question about your total annual production as measured in weight and a question about your waste disposal methods. Now that you have reviewed the questions and checklist, you are ready to complete the survey. Before you submit your survey, you can review a summary of your entries and confirm they are correct before submitting. After you submit, your survey will receive a performance snapshot from PowerScore. This snapshot can be used to review your operation's efficiency and productivity KPIs and see how you stack up against other facilities like yours. If you have been in operation for multiple years and add in the relevant data, you can also see how your facility has performed year over year in each KPI. Now that you have prepared for PowerScore reporting, we'll see you in the next video where we will cover entering your data into PowerScore. See you there.